Welcome to the Sri Lanka Institute of Robotics, SLIR, shaping the future engineers. Are you ready to elevate your child's skills and ignite their potential? Introducing the Kids Robotics Holiday Camp at SLIR, where the future of technology meets young minds ready to explore and create. During the course, students learn the basics of electronics and computer programming. We combine these skills to help them create exciting projects like robots. It's all about mixing fun and learning to make something new. Each practical activity is designed to boost their creative thinking. We offer hands-on experience and give each student individual attention. This course starts from the very beginning, so no prior knowledge is required. It's a perfect place for beginners to grow and for curious minds to thrive. This module introduces the essential components. Like ultrasonic sensors, students will learn, step by step, how to program the robot to move and halt in response to obstacles. Gradually, they will enhance the algorithm, culminating in a fully automated obstacle-avoiding robot. This project not only fosters logical thinking, but also nurtures creativity in young minds. This project offers students a hands-on experience with a simulated industrial production line, featuring a range of pneumatic components and industrial sensors. They will first design a flowchart for the production process and then translate it into a computer program. This practical exercise provides a foundational understanding of mechatronic engineering, blending mechanical systems with electronic control. In this project, students program a model elevator, enhancing decision-making skills while learning real-world applications. It covers key concepts like DC motor control and sensor integration, offering practical insights into these fundamental engineering principles. Students engage with an automated metal plastic sorting system, gaining insight into industrial automation. They'll learn essential wiring techniques and develop a flowchart that's converted into an Arduino program. These projects are just a glimpse of what we offer. During the holiday camp, there's much more in store, with exciting and beneficial projects that are designed to equip students for the future. We explore the latest in technology, like artificial intelligence, to prepare our learners not just to join, but to lead in the future world. We also emphasize enhancing our students' soft skills, such as presentation abilities. This approach boosts their confidence, not just in robotics, but in their future academic pursuits as well. It lays a solid foundation for them to develop leadership skills, preparing them to confidently navigate and excel in various aspects of their lives.
As my colleague said, this is an effective way of preheating liquids. And as a safety measure, we have programmed it in such a way that the sensor doesn't turn on unless the sensor